Holdfast Marine's videos are brought to you with support from Total Boat and from viewers like you. To support our channel, please subscribe and use our discount codes at totalboat.com. Thank you. Hey everybody, Will from Holdfast Marine, your local boat shop. Coming to you again from the Repco. Heating up the hot glue gun, and we are going to cut some Coosa for this bulkhead. Let's get right into it. Your iPhone storage is full, was the message I got when I was cutting out that piece. I fit it. I had to take it back out and do a little bit of trimming. But she looks pretty good. Couple of areas I didn't pre-think about. Again, it's really the first time I've ever done anything like this, without a pattern to follow. And that is right here. The bunk, it's going to come down this way, is actually going to butt up. I wanted it to butt up against here, but if you look, this is the line, and that only comes in 3/4 of an inch, which is right about there. So I'm going to have a gap. Yeah. I don't think it's the end of the world. I don't think it's going to be too bad. I think I'll be able to fix it somehow. We'll figure it out. Yeah, but I mean, it looks. Now, this is not the height it's going to be. This is 4 feet. This is way too tall. It's actually going to be down. Well, I'll show you. This is just a template that I made for the hauler, which is going to sit right about there, give or take. So the actual top of this is going to be somewhere in this, where this kind of line is right here. So that'll be the console. The reason that I left this tall is because I want this to have a step up and then over. And the reason that I want that step up is I'm going to put it at an angle so I can have my gauges and things like that for the boat facing me here. The wheel will go somewhere in this area. And then, like I said, so pretty much from here, can't see, this will come, I'll just use a marker. Why not? So this will actually come, like that down, and then across, all the way. And then this will be the doorway into the boat. So now that I've got this cut, I'm going to go ahead and get it back on the sawhorses, and we'll mix up some resin, and we'll get one side coated with this resin. I'm going to start glassing up this Coosa. We have everything cut, everything's ready to go, and we're going to be using the Total Boat polyester resin, the finishing resin, which I have never used before, so let's see how that looks. Okay, well, yeah, so it's done. Well, it's done, but we have the 1708 is done on this side. As you can see down there in the corner, yeah, there's some air pocketing down there, and that's because I really underestimated the amount of resin this was going to take. I started with a gallon. I have about a quart left, just over a quart left. So this really took a lot more resin than I was anticipating. And had a little bit of an issue here where the glass pulled down here. It's not really that big of a deal because that's all getting tabbed in anyway. But I mean, it's not the best glass layup I have ever done, but it's good enough for what it is. I think on the other side, I'm going to end up using a chop strand. And then once this sets, I'm going to sand the whole thing down, and then I'm going to go over this with one more layer of chop strand, and then I'll use the laminating resin and finish that off with some gel coat. Well, I think that's enough for today. That only took a few hours or so, but it's Monday. Today's Memorial Day. I hope everybody took a few moments out of their day to remember our veterans. That's a very important topic to me. But yeah, it looks everything looks pretty good. I'm curious to see how long this is going to take to kick. I'm going to come back and check it tonight. I never used it before, so I didn't really catalyze it at the full 2%, like 1.5%. And I had to use those stupid drops every single time because I forgot my MEKP dispenser at the shop. Anyway, as always, everybody, thank you for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Please hit the bell notification. Doing that stuff allows me to bring more videos. If you don't like the videos, then man up. Tell me why you don't in the comments. But as always, everybody, we'll see you next time.